Hi guys, Alan from AWAlarms again here today. I thought I would show you how you can disable and enable zones on this little Tate control panel. So first, turn the key to enable, press the disable button, you'll see the disable light comes on. Press the reset test scroll button to scroll to the zone that you want to disable. It then flashes on the zone, press disable and it goes solid to confirm. Carry on scrolling with the reset test scroll button. Press disable again if you want a secondary zone. And turn the key off. And you see that both the lights are solid on those zones that we just disabled. So to put those zones back live, turn the key back on. It's basically the same thing again. Press disabled. Reset test scroll. Press the disable key again. And the light starts flashing. Scroll to the next zone, press the disable key again, it starts flashing again, turn the key off, and that's the panel back clear. I hope this has been of some help.